Welcome to our fruity adventure. Today, we're diving into the yummy world of the Mediterranean diet, famous for its tasty and healthy foods. Did you know that people from places like Greece, Italy, and Spain eat lots of fruits every day? These fruits are not just delicious, they're also super good for our health. In this blog, we're going to find out which fruits are the favorites in the Mediterranean diet and why they're so awesome. Get ready to explore some of the juiciest and most colorful fruits that make this diet so special, and learn how they can make your meals extra delicious and healthy. Stick around until the end to see a few great recipe examples. What fruits are most commonly eaten in the Mediterranean diet? In the sunny lands of the Mediterranean, people enjoy a bunch of tasty fruits that are as healthy as they are yummy. Let's check out some of the popular ones. Olives and olive oil. Not just a fruit, but a superstar in the Mediterranean diet. Olives and their oil are used in tons of dishes, making food delicious and good for the heart. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits shine bright in this diet. They're like little suns packed with vitamin C, perfect for keeping you healthy and your skin glowing. Figs. Sweet and chewy. Figs are a real treat. They're great for snacking or adding to salads and desserts. Grapes. Juicy grapes are often eaten fresh, dried as raisins, or turned into wine. They're not just tasty, they also have stuff in them that's good for your heart. Pomegranates. These gems are full of seeds that burst with flavor and nutrients. Pomegranates are a hit in salads, juices, and even on their own. Melons and watermelons. Perfect for hot days, these fruits are super refreshing and hydrating. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, and other berries are loved for their sweet taste and are packed with antioxidants that help keep you healthy. These fruits make the Mediterranean diet colorful, delicious, and super healthy. They're often eaten as snacks, turned into salads, or used to add a zesty twist to dishes. So, by munching on these fruits, you're not just treating your taste buds. You're also giving your body a bunch of good stuff to keep it happy and healthy. Mediterranean fruits are not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a lot of health benefits. Cardiovascular health. Fruits like olives and grapes are rich in compounds that support heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Rich in vitamins. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are packed with vitamin C, essential for immune function, skin health, and wound healing. Fiber content. Mediterranean fruits such as figs and berries are high in fiber, aiding digestion, promoting satiety, and helping in weight management. Antioxidants. Galore, pomegranates, berries, and grapes are abundant in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Bone health. Fruits like figs provide calcium, vital for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Hydration. Water-rich fruits such as watermelon and melons help keep the body hydrated, especially in warm climates. Natural sugars. These fruits offer a natural source of sweetness, allowing for a healthier alternative to processed sugars and helping in maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Incorporating Mediterranean fruits into your diet can lead to improved overall health, enhanced well-being, and a reduced risk of many lifestyle-related health issues. Integrating fruits into daily meals of the Mediterranean diet is not only healthy, but also adds a burst of flavor to your food. Here's how you can do it. Start with breakfast. Begin your day with a fruit-filled breakfast. Add berries, sliced figs, or orange segments to your morning yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal. Snack smart. For snacks, choose fresh fruits like apples, pears, or a handful of grapes. These are not only nutritious, but also keep you full until your next meal. Salads and sides. Incorporate fruits into salads and side dishes. Toss in some pomegranate seeds, diced apple, or sliced peaches into green salads for a sweet and tangy flavor. Main dishes. Use fruits to add a unique twist to main dishes. Cook chicken or fish with lemon, oranges, or figs for a Mediterranean-inspired meal. Desserts and treats. Choose fruit-based desserts like baked pears, grilled peaches, or a simple fruit salad seasoned with a dash of lemon juice and mint. Drinks and beverages. Refresh with beverages like lemon water, fresh orange juice, or make a smoothie using a mix of Mediterranean fruits. By incorporating fruits into each meal, you embrace the essence of the Mediterranean diet, benefiting from the nutritional wealth of these natural delights while enjoying their delicious flavors. Here are our few recipes that will help you bring fruit into your Mediterranean diet. This Mediterranean fruit salad with honey and mint recipe is not only delicious, but also showcases the vibrant flavors and health benefits of fresh seasonal fruits, making it a perfect dish for the Mediterranean diet. Ingredients: 2 peaches, sliced, 2 plums, sliced, 2 nectarines, sliced, 1 cup strawberries, halved, 1 cup blueberries, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons fresh mint, chopped, juice of 1 lemon, optional. Instructions: prepare the fruit by wash thoroughly. Slice the peaches, plums, and nectarines into thin wedges and halving the strawberries if they are large. In a large mixing bowl, gently toss together the sliced peaches, plums, nectarines, strawberries, and blueberries. In a small bowl, whisk together the honey and freshly chopped mint. If desired, add the juice of 1 lemon to the mixture for an added zesty flavor. Drizzle the honey and mint dressing over the mixed fruits. Gently toss the fruits to coat evenly with the dressing. For the best flavor, let the salad chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together. Just before serving, give the salad a gentle stir and garnish with a sprinkle of additional chopped mint. Serve the Mediterranean fruit salad in a large bowl or individual serving dishes for a refreshing and healthy dessert or snack. Enjoy! This citrus and olive salad recipe is a great addition to your Mediterranean diet. Ingredients: 2 oranges, 2 grapefruits, 1 4-cup black olives, sliced, 1 4-cup green olives, sliced, 2 small red onion, thinly sliced, 2 cups arugula, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, fresh parsley or mint chopped for garnish. Prepare the citrus fruits by washing it thoroughly. Cut off the top and bottom and remove the skin and white pith, following the curve of the fruit. In a large salad bowl, combine the citrus segments, sliced black and green olives, and thinly sliced red onion. Add the arugula to the bowl. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, white wine vinegar, and honey until well combined. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Pour the dressing over the salad ingredients and gently toss to coat everything evenly. Sprinkle the salad with freshly chopped parsley or mint for garnish. Serve immediately as a refreshing and flavorful side dish or light main course. Enjoy! In conclusion, the Mediterranean diet includes a variety of delicious and healthy fruits, like figs, oranges, lemons, grapes, and melons. These fruits not only add a burst of flavor to meals, but also provide essential nutrients that help keep our bodies healthy. Remember, eating a variety of fruits every day can make meals more exciting and contribute to a well-rounded, nutritious diet. So next time you're at the store, try picking up some of these Mediterranean favorites to add a tasty and healthy twist to your meals.